All right, so fresh from Alaska to Seattle to a road trip on the back of a truck is this Ford Lightning that we got from the original owner. It's had these seat covers on it since day one, so the seats look brand new. The cool story is it only has 10,900 miles on it. It's all bone stock, factory radio. It literally looks brand new because it's been garaged. It is so spotless clean everywhere. The paint is kind of oxidized, but I just took a little bit of mother's polish. You can see how oxidized this is, but literally buffs right out. There's not a scratch anywhere on this thing. No dents, nothing. It's the first time I'm looking at the engine, so let's see what this thing looks like. Bear with me right here. Yeah, that looks brand new, literally. So clean. So it's like a time capsule. So it'll be a lot of fun to get this thing all buffed out and perfect. So little modern day hot rod, 1993 Ford Lightning.